I was studying the underlying mechanism that governs the fundamental nature of humor, primarily comedy or stand-up comedy, and I got into the subfields or subsets of linguistics, phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, applied.
We're just kind of making it happen today. We are interviewing, I'm interviewing, you're not interviewing, you're watching me interview, Mr. Tracy Morgan. Superstar, Mr. Comedy Guy.
Things like art and music, if you're a research scientist, really helps you philosophically grounded. It gives you a... Right?
I don't do it anymore. I fell off a motorcycle twice, hit my head twice. And
Is that...
Okay, it's me, Robert Downey Jr., your best friend, your mentor, your zenith. If you used to own a television, that was your zenith.
Begin to understand how geometric shapes and how colors and shades on a two-dimensional surface creates this three-dimensional optical illusion. And I just think it's truly a fascinating phenomenon. So I think that things like art and music, if you're... My infatuation is more within the context of the
choreographed march across your forehead, and
okay. Psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar or mania share the exact same phenomena.
Dude.
We understand that these are the 5 emotional attributes that are induced during manic episodes. Now we're going to take
the everything beige. What's this beige thing?
Equalization, two different hands, holding one holds a steak knife, the other one holds a butter knife, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It kind of balanced me off, It feels like an equilibrium, Mind, body, and so science is for the mind, comedy is for the body, and music is for the soul. So it's like a trichotomy. They're the exact same phenomena. So there's a number of different...
Dude.
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand...
Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to, make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please?
Here's the deal. I wrote some questions. Some other people wrote some questions. We could do the questions. We could riff, maybe a little bit of both.
Okay. Do you remember we worked together?
A lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul.
Thank you for balancing this show out,
This was a complete disaster.
Dude, I love you, man. Are you kidding me?
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some... Don't know exactly if he's going to come in on the button.
beige thing? Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to like make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please? We end up, because a lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul. I am not laughing. I can assure you, I'm not laughing at all.
What's that thing they're doing with these baby rooms? They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil. So we got a lot to talk about, and I hope he's doing all right. I got some text from him I want to go over.
Yeah, or the deep delta state,
And I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera.
You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies. A dramatic situation.
Not anymore. Clean sober. Many years.
I mean, so do you drink?
Not anymore. They don't want to ask anymore.
Rudolph, retract that.
Look, people do what they do.
Do you drink?
Then I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
Yes, share the exact same phenomenon.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
I heard that you are also. I can assure you. Intuition are off the sort of freaking caps. My views a bit
to the theta or the show,
Which is called reality.
I wish you would.
kind of create a little equilibrium.
I have five suede.
I feel you let me ask the question.
Or animism implement us.